if they want to join us. Because remember, right now, 95% of my money is on properties. Right? 95% of my money is on properties. 5% is on the education. But I can show you here, which I showed you, by only $1,000 or $2,000, you can make 20 grand on properties as a lien to a deed, if you want. You want to do the deed, you do the deed. It's up to you, whichever way you want to do it. So, but, yeah.
Does the price change afterwards? Like, let's say you sign up for the $9.97, and then the fourth month you start paying $59 a month. That's forever, the same price?
Yeah, that's all we're doing right now. Yeah, I mean.
So if you change prices, the person who signs up now, you can change
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
Okay.